we've been talking the last few days. We are trying to go to the next step. So today our question is very clear. Why are we confused about God's existence?
Because we can't see him.
Kaumudi, because we can't see him. So because you can't see electricity, are you confused about electricity? Why are you not confused? You can't
Because
see. You can't
it
see.
is showing lot of results. No, it is showing the light and it's the fan is running. So we are sure there is electricity.
But the sun is running and the moon is running and the mount and your life is running. Then why are you confused about God's existence?
Don't know.
Don't know. Good. And the best answer, Kaumudi, the best thing in life is the honest answer. What is the honest answer we should say? If I don't know, we say I don't know. Because only when you tell I don't know, can you know. If you think you know, when you don't know, then you will never know. Okay. Anybody else who would like to?
Guruji Pranam. Guruji Pranam.
Mataji,
Shivoham. Shivoham. Guruji, I think we are like a musk deer who is running and chasing after the fragrance without realizing that it is in the navel of his stomach. Similarly, we are ignorant about the God's presence. Because though we cannot see it, but when we are able to realize it, it lives in the temple of our heart, then there is no need of any proof.
So Kiran, very good answer. Can you tell me why we are confused, Kiran? Why we
because
are confused?
We are living in ignorance. Because we are living in ignorance. So without realizing the truth.
One of my favorite songs is this, right? हिरन कैसे ढूंढता है कस्तूरी बेचैन से, ना जाने वो उनके नाभि में है रे, वैसे प्रभु मैं तुझे ढूंढता हूँ, बेचैन हूँ मैं तुझे ढूंढता हूँ, अंदर तू मेरे बाहर ढूंढता हूँ, बाहर ढूंढता हूँ. God has hidden himself in us. The supreme immortal power, is hidden inside. And we are like the musk deer. Kiran, our Mataji says, we are confused like the musk deer. We are searching and searching and searching outside when the divine is inside. So why are we confused? Kiran gave the answer, but she didn't give the answer to my question. She told me we are confused. But why are we confused? I am asking you all this question today. Why? Why are we like the musk deer?
Shivoham Sirji.
Shivoham, Ashok Nichani.
Just because we are blind.
Because we are blind.
We cannot see. He is nearest to us inside than outside.
Good.
When we cannot see so near, how can we see him outside?
Basically, Ashok, you are saying we are spiritually blind. Please make your answer clear, Ashok.
Spiritually, yes, sir.
We are spiritually blind. We are unable to see. If a blind, Ashok said a very good answer, my dear friends. If you bring a blind man in front of the Taj Mahal and the blind man says there's no Taj Mahal, is it his fault? Why is not his fault? There is no Taj Mahal because the Taj Mahal is there. He is blind.
But he can't see.
He cannot see. So we are confused about God's existence. We are blind. Ashok, can you continue telling me why we are blind, Ashok?
We are blind because of our ignorance.
And what is this ignorance, Ashok?
That we are a body.
Ashok, what is this ignorance, Ashok?
We think we are the body.
What is causing this ignorance?
पांच तत्वों का शरीर हम समझते हैं अपने आप को.
What is causing this ignorance? Or this ignorance is caused? Ignorance is not able to recognize.
The curtain between us and the mind.
Okay. The ignorance is not able to see the Maya. The ignorance, we are confused. Why are we confused, Ashok? Because of Maya.
Yeah.
What is Maya, Ashok? What is Maya?
Illusion.
It is mithya. Mithya. So yes. I want to still touch this point a little bit more. Sudeep Bhargava. Why are we confused, Sudeep Bhargava?
So maybe that is because we are looking for a God which can meet our sense gratification. We want to see him in some form, in a human form or whatever.
Very good.
We want
But
to
why?
see, we want to hear.
But why? But why?
That is because we are so much conditioned about perceiving the world from our senses that even for the God we want to use the same senses. When God is something who cannot be perceived with the five senses that has given to us. There's a bhajan also, I'm not able to recollect, but that is speaking on the same lines. I'm not able to recollect that bhajan right now. That's one of your, just an year back, near previous Shivratri. I'm not able to recollect the words I know, but that is what the essence is of that bhajan, that God did not give you the power to use your senses to perceive him. But if you're trying to do it, you will be unsuccessful. And then we get confused because different stories, different people tell us a different thing.
So let us now step back for 2 minutes, my dear friends. There are some people who are atheist. Why are people atheist? Why they don't believe in God? Because they are so fed up of religion. They are so fed up of rituals and superstitions. They say, throw your God in the dustbin. Then there are some people who are agnostics. Agnostics are those people who don't know whether God exists or God does not exist. And then there are some bhaktas. The bhaktas are blindly believing in God. Even they are confused where is God. They think Krishna is in Vrindavan and they think Shiva is in Kailasha. So our goal, my dear friends, today we are touching a subject, and over to administrator, we'll get to questions because too much time going away in these talks. But my dear friends, it's very important to put the basis clear. We are all confused. Huh? So there's a song I sang many times back. You know what the song says? Jo buddhi se nahi par jo man se kaam karte, log unhe बुद्धू कहते हैं. बुद्धू कौन होता है? बुद्धू वो होता है जो बुद्धि से नहीं, जो मन से काम करता है. So we have to go beyond the mind. The mind is believing in the statue. The mind goes to the temple. Recently, we spoke about Guru Nanak talking about Ek Omkar, Satyanam, and he put there that Mool Mantra. Did you all hear the Mool Mantra? I found a very interesting Mool Mantra. I think Sandeep Sangam Gupta sent it to me. I sent it to some of you. I think I sent it to Hitkari ji. Let me read out this Mool Mantra to you. Very interesting. It says, Ek Omkar, one universal creator. Satyanam, truth is the name. Karta Purukh, the supreme creator. Nirbhav, without fear, without hatred. Akal Murat, eternal form. Ajuni, without birth, without death. Guru Prasad, realized by the grace of God. I think here it says Guru Prasad should be realized by the grace of the Guru, I think. Guru Prasad. I don't know why it says realized by God. This is what's called the Mool Mantra, essence of Guru Nanak's teachings, if I am not mistaken. So let us get on to question answers.
Sir, one more point yes. Can I add, sir?
Please add 2 more points.
Sir, 99% of the people think whatever has to happen will happen.
Okay.
Because they don't have faith. They don't realize that the divine energy can change your destiny. No one else can.
How can divine energy change your destiny?
By you surrendering to God.
Okay. So unless you believe in God, unless you have faith in God, unless you love God. But the problem, Ashok, people are confused about God. Now, that is the main topic of today's discussion. Abhi, you and me are still talking God. Should we talk God? Should we keep saying God?
Sip.
Sip.
So we have to change. Mujhe bhi aadat. I also can't change in 1 day or 2 days. You also are not changing.
Supreme
so we all have to change our vocabulary. No saying God. We have to use the word Sip. The supreme immortal power.
Immortal power.
So we have to change. All of us have to change. We are too used to saying God. Ye kya God hai? Ye kya hai God?
Every time, oh God, we say.
Oh, sip, oh, sip, oh, sip, sip, sip. We have to keep on changing that.
गुरुजी 2 लाइंस सिप के लिए मैं कहना चाहती हूँ.
बोलो, बोलो.
किसी को चाय का सिप लेने में मजा आता है, तो किसी को कॉफी का सिप लेने में मजा आता है. किसी को लस्सी का सिप लेने में मस्ती आती है, तो किसी को विस्की का सिप लेने में सुकून मिलता है. इमॉर्टल पावर का सिप जो लेता है वो प्रभु से एक हो जाता है.
Very nice.
So Kiran always comes with something amazing. Send it to me, Kiran, so we will develop आपका जो माता जी का सिप है. किसी को माता जी के सिप में नशा आता है, तो किसी को बेटे बेटी के सिप में नशा आता है. हाँ, तो ये भी हो जाता है ना. तो हम फिर अटैचमेंट में फंस जाते हैं और सिप से दूर हो जाते हैं, तो ये भी प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है माता जी. ओके, Shivoham. Good. Send me your shairi, please. Anybody has live questions before we have typed questions? Anybody wants to ask live?
Hey, Shivam here.
Shivam, Gautam.
Actually, when I have a little confusion, when I'm in complete silence and consciousness, thought is coming. So I had to worry about that thought, or I have to just keep my mind as a cool, and how to get rid of it.
You have to observe the thought. Thought is coming, and then thought is going. If the thought comes, you push it out. Suppose one mosquito is coming inside your house, or a frog is trying to jump inside your room. Will you say welcome?
No.
So,
yeah, of course. Of course, I'm not worried about that. But
no, you will stop it. You will stop the frog from jumping inside. Correct?
Okay.
Or will you let the frog come? Come on, my darling. Come on, my frog. Huh?
No, I'll stop it. I'll stop this thing.
So when a dirty thought is coming, what should you do?
I should just
stop it. Tell no entry. Stop sign. Stop. Like this. Put a stop sign.
Okay. And I want to know that enlightened person can get a thought, or he'll always be in consciousness.
No. Enlightened person also will get thought, but a non-enlightened person will get 50 thoughts a minute. Okay. An enlightened person will get thoughts 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 thoughts a minute. Okay. The enlightened person is not bombarded with thoughts because the mind is already transcended. The mind is already made into a monk. The monkey has been made into a monk. You get the point?
Yeah, I got. Thank you. I got the point.
Continue, please. We are on to question answers. Our goal is enlightenment. What is holding you back? Why are you confused about God? Why are you confused about the truth? What is holding you back?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
शिवोम सर.
शिवोहम.
अजितेक हियर.
अजितेक बोलो.
हाँ जी सर, मेरे को बड़ा हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है कि मेरे को एक तो एनर्जी ड्रेन आउट रहता है दिन भर, और नींद आती नहीं है, और नींद आती है तो सपने बहुत आते हैं, नींद खुलती बहुत है. तो मैं सर समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि क्या करूं.
पहले तो आपको
कुछ कर्मा तो है सर, ये कर्मा तो है.
नहीं.
तो तभी ये
पहले
भोग रहा हूं मैं.
पहले आपका गलती सही करो. आपने बोला मेरे को हेल्थ का प्रॉब्लम है. आपने झूठ क्यों बोला? आपने झूठ क्यों बोला कि मेरे को हेल्थ का प्रॉब्लम है? पहले तो सही बताओ कि मेरे बॉडी को हेल्थ का प्रॉब्लम है.
सर ये कि मैं अभी इनलाइटन नहीं हुआ तो इसलिए वो निकल जाता है.
नहीं, आप इनलाइटनमेंट नहीं चाहिए. हेलो, मैं आपको पूछता हूँ एक बात. एक दिन अजितेक मरेगा नहीं मरेगा?
हाँ जी सर.
और अजितेक को छोड़ के आप चले जाएंगे?
हाँ जी सर.
आप अजितेक की बॉडी छोड़ के आप चले जाएंगे कर्म के साथ में?
हाँ जी सर.
और आपके चाहने वाले आपकी बॉडी को जलाएंगे नहीं जलाएंगे?
हाँ जी सर.
क्यों जलाएंगे?
क्योंकि सर वो तो खोखली है, बिल्कुल कुछ एनर्जी नहीं है.
अभी भी खोखली है ना यार. अभी भी उस खोखले बॉडी को प्रॉब्लम है ना यार. आप इसलिए तंग हो रहे हैं बिकॉज आप समझते हैं आपको प्रॉब्लम है। आपने शुरू ही ऐसा किया मेरा प्रॉब्लम, मेरे बॉडी में प्रॉब्लम है, नहीं मुझे प्रॉब्लम है।
हाँ जी
Ajitek, every body will suffer. I am asking you a question, Ajitek, as an intelligent man. Have you seen any body that does not grow old? Any body that does not experience disease? Have you seen any body that does not have pain?
No, sir.
Then even your body has, but you don't have. But you know it after coming on so many Ask Care. You attended more than 100 Ask Care session. बट अभी भी आपका माइंड बोलता है कि मैं बड़े परेशान हूं, मैं ड्रेन्ड हूं। आप ड्रेन्ड नहीं है, आपकी बॉडी को ड्रेन है। और जब तक, अजितेक प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड द पॉइंट क्लियरली, आप एक शक्ति है, आप अपने बॉडी को एनर्जाइज करवा सकते हैं।
कैसे सर?
you because by pumping that energy in the body, एक बात बोलूं मैं आपको, प्लीज पे अटेंशन।
हाँ जी।
आप एक कैंडल की लैंप लेके, कितने कैंडल को जला सकते हैं?
कैंडल की लैंप लेके सर सारी, मतलब जितनी भी है।
अगर मैं आपको 10 कैंडल दूं आप जला सकते हैं?
हाँ जी सर।
अगर मैं 100 दूं आप जला सकते हैं?
हाँ जी सर।
क्यों जला सकते हैं?
क्योंकि सर वो बुझेगी नहीं।
बिकॉज आपके हाथ में कैंडल है, उसमें शक्ति है।
हाँ जी सर।
आप भी वो शक्ति है, आप नहीं जानते हैं वो शक्ति है।
हाँ जी सर।
अगर आप आप अपने शरीर को बोलो, हे मिस्टर अजितेक दादा, शट अप एंड बिकम ओके, आई एम द पावर, यू मस्ट बी फुल ऑफ पावर, दिस पहले तो आप 8 बजे के सेशन को मिस मत करो।
हाँ
बीमार हो नहीं बीमार हो आप मिस मत करो, वही आपकी बीमारी की इलाज हो जाएगी।
हाँ जी सर।
You are not sick. Your body is trying to make you sick. But you are not the body. ये आप मुझसे तो 500 बार सुना है ये बात कि you are not the body and you know it. Who came first? You came first or your body came first?
ये तो वही हो गया कि अंडा पहले आया या
नहीं, ये मतलब आप बहुत आस्क केयर सेशन मिस कर चुके हैं। मतलब पहले आप जन्म लिए 9 महीने पहले, आप एक ही सेल के फॉर्म जाइगोट में आपका जन्म हुआ, फिर आपकी बॉडी आई, या पहले आपका बॉडी आया उसके बाद आत्मा आई?
बाद में बॉडी आई, पहले आत्मा आई।
तो आप तो वो है ना जो पहले आए।
हाँ जी सर।
आप प्रभु की कृपा से आप एक प्रभु का एक कण है।
हाँ जी सर।
You are a particle of God energy and you came first.
हाँ जी सर।
When you were created, when you were conceived, the body was formed around you, and that body is mortal.
Yes sir.
But the soul, you is supreme immortal power, is immortal. वो बॉडी आया, वो बॉडी मरेगा, लेकिन आप नहीं मरेंगे। ये भी आप मानते हैं, जानते हैं या आप जानते नहीं या जानते हैं?
हाँ जी सर, जानता हूँ।
ये मानते नहीं या मानते हैं?
मानता हूँ सर।
तो फिर प्रॉब्लम क्या है? Ajitek, every body will die, but you will not die.
सर देखिए, हाँ जी सर। सर ये भी है कि सर जब तक ये शरीर स्वस्थ नहीं रहेगा तो कैसे साधना वगैरह कर पाएंगे?
अजितेक, ये शरीर के स्वस्थ आपके हाथों में है। Please understand, you take my example, I challenge you, you start telling yourself, my body is not well, I am fine, I will make my body fine. My body is not well, I am fine, I will give power to my body. My body is not having energy, I am the energy, I will give body. या आज 24 घंटा ये बोलते जाओ, कल मुझे कॉल पे बताओ, ठीक है?
4-5 टिप्स दीजिए कि कैसे ये हील हो पाए।
एक ही टिप। Keep repeating the thought and the verbalization. Keep telling yourself, my body is depressed, but I am a supreme power. I am the supreme energy. I will give power to my body. मेरे बदन को शक्ति नहीं है, लेकिन मैं वो असीम शक्ति हूँ, मैं शरीर को शक्ति दूंगा। Keep on repeating. No two tip. Only Hindi or English में मैंने same दोहराया बात। Stick to one point and tomorrow tell me how you are feeling.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow 8 o'clock, I need an update from you, please.
Thank you, sir. Sure.
And you will be perfect tomorrow. 24 hours, I'm telling you. If you follow my prescription, you keep telling your body, "Hey, शरीर तुम तो क्या है यार? मैं तो आत्मा हूं, मैं सिप हूं, जल्दी उठो, ठीक हो जाओ.
ठीक सर.
Speak this language and you will be all right.
Okay sir. Thank you. Shivo.
So next question from Krishna Sharma. Instead of calling a supreme infinite power, why is it being called supreme immortal power? Infinite and immortal are just two different words, my dear Krishna Sharma. Infinite and immortal. Infinite is another way of expressing the vast power. Immortal is because we are thinking of God as Rama, Krishna, who is born, who dies. This is Christmas Day, birthday of God. No, God has no birthday and death day. God is a power. Krishna Sharma is also immortal. Actually, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Krishna Sharma is mortal. He will die. But you are not mortal. You will not die. When Krishna Sharma dies, you will fly. There are two options. If you are enlightened, you will become one with God. If you are not enlightened, you will come back. So immortal word is very important. But if I was you, if you want to say SIP, you can say supreme, immortal, infinite power. No problem. That can be your definition of SIP. We are just giving one definition which is suitable to everybody. And I don't define, dear Krishna Sharma, it comes from ZIP, it comes like that. So it comes to me, I deliver to you. I am a postman. I only deliver what comes from the Lord. Thank you. Next question. Any live question? I have a typed question. Any live question?
It's
Sir,
you.
I have one question, sir.
Yes. Who is it?
Sir, Govardhan.
Govardhan. Tell me, Govardhan.
Sir, some people follow rituals and superstitions, all that. But when we talk about ultimate goal, enlightenment, they say you are weak, so you are going in that path. How
You are what? You are?
You are weak. They say you are weak.
Who tells
Yeah.
you that?
One of my relatives, sir.
They are ignorant, Govardhan. They are ignorant. Why do you listen to them? Do you think you are weak? That's why you are going? Is enlightenment giving you an escape from the reality of life?
No, sir. Enlightenment is always giving me joy, sir.
Then what is the problem?
A confusion, sir.
What is the confusion? Again, give me the confusion clearly.
Sir, I talked about the air. About your life, your living all that, and all your business, shutting down your business, and your went to the path of enlightenment.
Yeah.
I was discussing about that, sir.
Yeah.
They are saying that the weak people go in that way. They say like that.
So because I was weak, I closed my business and I went.
No, not you, but everyone who goes like that, they are saying weak.
You know, the person who Govardhan, don't listen to everything, every Tom, Dick, and Harry tells something. Don't listen, Govardhan, because if you listen to everybody, you will become a nobody. You don't listen to everybody. You listen to your own intellect.
Yes, sir.
You know, enlightenment tries to give you focus on the truth. Enlightenment tries to build your intellect. Enlightenment tries to make you realize what is right and what is wrong. Enlightenment doesn't make you weak, it makes you strong. So when somebody tells you something, that means they don't understand it. And it's not easy to convince them. Is it easy to convince them? No. It's not even, you don't have to force them to be convinced. Maybe you tell them, attend one session and ask whatever question you want to ask. But even they may refuse to do that. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Govardhan, are you confused or somebody is trying to confuse you?
I'm not confused, sir, but they say I take that point. You said if you consider everybody, you become nobody. Then I got clear in my mind.
So let me tell you, my dear Govardhan, people who are not enlightened, they are captured by the mind. And the mind will not let them understand the meaning of intellect. The mind will not let them understand the meaning of enlightenment. Because the moment you are enlightened, the mind is dead. So please do not worry about what people say.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
We have a typed question. in the path of enlightenment, I strongly believe death is certain. I came to know to increase the lifespan of Puneet, changed his name and done many pujas. Then also Puneet was unable to escape from death. Why still more many people believing in the myth? See, this is the problem, right? I don't know. Sagaraj is telling that Puneet, to increase the lifespan of Puneet Rajkumar, he changed his name. Probably that is the problem. He was afraid of death. He was running away from death. You can't run away from death. If death must come to me tonight, death will come to me tonight. I can't escape it. If death will not come to me for next 50 years, I can't call it. It will come after 50 years. So Sagaraj, the minute anything that you fear, it will appear. What did I tell you? Did you hear it? Did you pay attention? Anything that you fear, it will appear. If you fear COVID, it will appear. Do the things you fear and the fear will disappear. Anything that you fear, the fear will appear. Do the things you fear and the fear will disappear. So this is a new slogan I'm telling you. Rajendra, you want to say something, please?
Yeah, see, here, in fact, I just wanted to add one statement in the discussion between you and Govardhan, that if it was easier for us to, convince people regarding enlightenment, then there would have been thousands of enlightenment seekers on this call by now. But it is really, really not easy.
So good point. Because let me tell you one thing. It is called the road less traveled. It is called the road less traveled.
Less traveled, yes.
So if the people will follow the herd because it's an easy way out. Achievement is an easy way. You want to follow the path of achievement. Everybody is running after achievement, success, name, fame, pleasure, because of ignorance, because of Maya, because of Mithya. But how many people are actually looking for enlightenment? Very few people. Very few people. Less than 1% of the world is looking. Out of the 1%, I told you, less than 1% realizes the truth. Out of that 1%, less than 1% is enlightened. So do you think it is easy? Do you think it is an easy subject? No, it is not meant for everybody. You also need to have good karma. I'm telling you this, Rajendra. You said to be on this call. I know many people who give this link to many people and say, please come on this call. You can solve your problem. You know what they say? No. Why they don't come? It is not in their karma.
I have got the experience.
Yeah, it is not in their karma. But we should not stop trying. Am I stopping to try? No. Understand one thing. This is not a mass subject. Am I expecting that we will have 5,000 people on this call? No. I am not even taking subscription of Zoom over 100. I don't remember one thing. I will not permit more than 100 people on this call. If it becomes 101, you cannot attend. I have decided this call will remain only 100 people. And the rest it will come. It's also going live on Facebook. Somebody wants to listen on Facebook, they can. But Zoom call question answer will never go beyond 100. Because we want it to be a quality session. We want it to be a session between one and one. I should know the people I'm talking to. I want devoted people, dedicated people, sincere people who are seekers of enlightenment to be on this call.
We all thankful. We are
you be thankful to SIP. And if you see me as SIP, then you can be thankful. We should be grateful. Yeah, we should be grateful to SIP. Because let me tell you, I talk today, what if I lost my voice? I see today, what if I lost my sight? I hear today, what if I lost my ability to hear? I am grateful that God or SIP is giving me the power to be able to see, to talk, to listen. And that power inside me is the power of SIP. Similarly, the power inside you. You know, somebody very dear to me, her father, I think is about 50 plus years. 30 days back, he was walking. He went for a checkup. Perfect health. He was walking, eating, drinking, happy, everything fine. He had some coughing, chest congestion. He went to a doctor for checkup. When they checked up, they found he had cancer in the lung, cancer in the liver. And for 30 days, he went through one, they call it liver transplant basically, but they remove some portion of the liver and they try to put another part of the liver, or they cut a portion of the liver, I'm told. For 30 days, he was in a semi-coma. Today, he died. Today, the father of a very dear person died. But this is reality of life. Tomorrow, 5 years later, 10 years later, one day you will die, one day I will die. But we will not die, our body will die. We will never die. We have to realize this. The lifespan of a human being is up to 100 years. You may live up to 100 years or beyond. But you can't live 200 years because lifespan is 100 max. If you live over 100, you are only living in bonus. Actually, every day over 75 years is a bonus because the average life expectancy is 75. Everybody who has touched 75, remember you are in the bonus part of your life. Because after 75, any moment God will say, whistle will blow. And you have to go. Because this is just a show. And this you must know. So my dear friends,
गुरुजी मरने से तो नहीं डरना चाहिए. जिस मरने से जग डरे मेरे मन आनंद, मरने पर ही पाइए पूर्ण परमानंद. हमें ऐसा ही सोचना चाहिए.
लेकिन मरने पर परमानंद मिलेगा, परमात्मा मिलेगा जब हम योगी बन के जिएंगे. If only you must disconnect from bhoga and connect to yoga. If you are in yoga, there is no doubt that you will get that Paramanand, you will get Paramatma. But you must cut off. You must cut off from the unnecessary. And you must devote your life. You know, Kiran, in the ancient days, it was Brahmacharya, Grahastha, Vanaprastha, and Brahmacharya. What is Brahmacharya?
Learning stage.
No, sorry. Brahmacharya, Grahastha, Vanaprastha, and Sannyas. What is Sannyas?
When you decide to leave the world.
When you decide to leave everything for God. When you decide that nothing else matters in my life, only God, SIP. When that becomes your focus, my dear Mataji, then only at death you will become one with God. But if you are still busy in saying, Aaj hum khayenge puri bhaji, kal hum khayenge chole bhature, uske baad hum khayenge jalebi or murukku. If our time is only going in these matters, then we will come back to become one jalebi wala. So we should not be, our entire focus, I hope you agree with me, our entire focus must be on SIP, on SIP, on SIP. So I'm ending with this thought for you. Yogi jo yog mein sada hi rahe, प्रभु के योग में रहे, संसार की माया में वो ना फंसे, सदा योग में वो रहे, प्रभु की प्यास हो सदा, प्रभु से प्यार वो करे, योगी वो है जो माया से बच के रहे, प्रभु के योग में रहे. Kiran, Mataji, that was for you.
Thank you so much.
And with that note, my dear friends, anybody has got any question? I'm closing today's session if there is no question. So every day we are meeting and every day we are taking 1, 2, 3 steps forward on the journey to enlightenment. It's a path. Remember, you are blessed. Remember, you are blessed to come on this call every day because not everybody is blessed. If Krishna Sharma didn't come few days, I started worrying, kya ho gaya Krishna Sharma ko? I didn't say Ajitek Dada for so many days. Now he's telling me his body was a little weak. No. This session is a session to give you power, a session to give you energy, a session to make you one with SIP. Don't miss the session. If you cannot on the video, come on audio. If you cannot ask the question showing where you are, ask on audio, text your question, but don't miss a single day, because that is the way to reach SIP. God bless you all. Shivoham, and may you realize SIP in your life.